Hello students, good morning. I'm Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 13 of English Open Sky book, and the name of the chapter is Keep Away from Germs. Dear students, this chapter is based on some techniques that is used in the science, but here we will discuss the story that is based on science. Just see students, it is given at the page number 88. Warm yourself up. You can see it is given at the page number 88, and just see, germs are teeny microorganism. Teeny means small. You can see teeny means small. Teeny means small. Small, or you can say very small. Teeny means very small. Let's see. Germs are teeny microorganisms that exist all around us. Exist all around us. And we are invisible to human eyes. And it is also invisible from human eyes. It means we cannot see germs by our naked eyes. Okay? We have to use some instrument to see the germs. Okay? It is written here. It is invisible to human eyes. There are many different types of germs, and there are various kinds of germs that we will discuss in this chapter. Most are not harmful, and there are so many germs that are not harmful, but some cause infectious disease. But there are so many germs that is cause of diseases, infectious diseases. It is important to know about germs and infectious diseases, and it is also very important for all of us to know about the germs and infectious diseases and simple way to avoid getting and spreading them. And we should also know the way to avoid the germs. Simple way to avoid getting and spreading germs. And we should also know that how to avoid the germs and how to stop spreading the germs. Yes, students, just see it is written here. Read the story of germs and which attack a little boy named Montu. Yes, students, there is a story given. In this story, there is a boy. The name of the boy is Montu. Okay, Montu, and germs has attacked on him, and how Montu got cured of disease, and germs attacked on the Montu, and how Montu saved from the germs, from the diseases. Okay, in this story we will discuss about it. So just see the first paragraph. It is given here. I am disease causing germs. Here, just see, it is written in subjective mode. It is written here, I am a disease. I am a disease causing germs. I am quite famous for causing typhoid fever. Yes, friends, you all have heard about the typhoid fever, and it is very dangerous. Just see, I am quite famous for causing typhoid fever. And germs are, it is saying that he is quite famous for typhoid disease. Just see, unlike other germs which are round or spiral shaped. Just see, unlike other germs which are round or spiral shaped. Spiral shaped means like this. Okay, you have seen the spiral binding of the book. Okay, so like that, there is round. Just see, unlike other germs which are round or spiral shaped and not rod shaped, and this germ is saying that it is not rod shaped. Just see, I have a long flagella. He has a long flagella which helps me to move or to swim. It is saying that, the germs is saying that, what is the shape of it? Flangella. Flangella which helps me to move or to swim, and flangella that helps it to move or swim. My friend and I all look exactly alike, and it is saying that James is saying that he and his friends both looks alike, यानी कि दोनों एक ही तरह दिखते हैं. Let's see, come to the next paragraph. We consider ourselves harmless bacteria. And just see, students, come to the next paragraph. It is written here, we consider ourselves harmless bacteria. And it is also saying that they consider themselves harmless bacteria. Man has often called us by unpleasant name, and they are also saying, James are also saying that the man called him with the unpleasant name. Unpleasant name is that is not pleasurable, that is not very good. He brands us the harmful microbes, and James were saying that man brands us as a harmful microbes and calls us typhoid weakly, and men called them typhoid weakly. Okay. He also tries to destroy us, and James are also saying that man always tries to destroy us, destroy the germs. Just see, he also tries to destroy us, but he finds it difficult to do so. But man find very difficulties to do so, to kill the germs. That is why we multiply much faster than he can kill us, and that is why germs can multiply very faster. And suppose that there is a germs, it can multiply into 2 sub like this, and 2 multiplies into 4. Okay, like that. In this way the circles goes on, and in this way there are number of germs increases day by day. If we will not take any kind of medicine, then it will spread in our body. Just see, students, it is written here, he brands us as harmful microbes and calls us typhoid weakly. He also tries to destroy us, but he finds it difficult to do so. That is why we multiply much faster than he can kill us. And just see, each of us splits. Splits means divided. Splits means divided. You can also write the hard word which is given in your book also. Just see, students, it is written here. Just see, splits. Splits means divide. Just see, splits. Splits means divide. Just see, each of us splits into 2 very rapidly, and as I have told you that suppose that there is 1, it divided into 2, okay, and 2 divided into 4, like this. In this way they increases. Just see, each of us splits into 2 very rapidly, and thus we increase in number. And this germs is narrating this story. Here the germs has been personified. एक आदमी के रूप में बोल रहा है germs कि वो क्या क्या करता है. Here that is the story. You have to imagine, you have to think. You see, each of us splits into 2 very rapidly, and thus we increase in number. And they splits very fast. They divided into 2, and 2 divided into 4. Not divided, multiplied. Okay, 2 multiplied into 4, and 4 multiplied into 16. Like way. In this way, the number of germs increases very rapidly. Okay, come to the next paragraph. Paragraph number 3. You see, very frequently flies carry us. flies. Flies is मक्खियाँ. You see, very frequently flies carry us along with them. We settle on the sewage. And just see here, students, it is written here. Very frequently flies carry us. Flies means मक्खियाँ जो घर में होती हैं अक्सर. So just see, very frequently flies carry us along with them. अपने साथ ही मक्खियाँ वहाँ पे जहाँ रविश होता है, डस्ट होता है, कूड़े कचड़े होते हैं, गंदे होते हैं, मक्खियाँ वहाँ बैठती हैं और वहाँ से जम्स को लेके घर में चली जाती हैं. जस्ट सी, इट इज रिटन हियर. वेरी फ्रिक्वेंटली फ्लाइज कैरी अस along with them and we settle on sewage. And it is written here that germs generally settle on sewage, rubbish heaps. Rubbish heaps means कूड़ा कचड़ा जहाँ होता है वहाँ पे जम्स रहते हैं. And man's food, and it is also found in man's food. But mostly my friends and I lurk in dirty water. And James is narrating the story and saying that mostly he founds where? Mostly my friends and I lurk. Lurk मतलब छिपा रहना. I lurk in dirty water. In dirty water जहाँ गंदे पानी होते हैं वहीं पे ये लोग ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं. James. Water drinks milk and ice. It is generally found in water and drinks and milk and ice. ऐसे स्थानों पे क्या होते हैं, लिक्विड वाले प्लेस पे वो ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं. You see, from all these places we find our way to human intestine. और फिर यहाँ से इन सारी रबिश शिप्स से और भी जहाँ गंदगी होती है वहाँ से फ्लाई कैरीज करके लाते हैं और बहुत सारे मीडियम से ये क्या करता है, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के इंटेस्टाइन में चले जाता है, उसके पेट में चला जाता है जम्स. ओके, जस्ट सी, इट इज रिटन हियर. वी फाइंड आवर वे टू ह्यूमन इंटेस्टाइन. ऑफन मैन हिमसेल्फ हेल्प अस. और कभी कभी तो आदमी खुद जम्स को लाने में उसकी मदद करता है. जस्ट सी, इट इज रिटन हियर. ऑफन मैन्स हिमसेल्फ हेल्प अस. ऑफन मीन्स जनरली. ऑफन मैन himself help us when he is a disease carrier. When he is a disease carrier, अगर कोई किसी को बीमारी होता है, अगर उसके साथ भी अगर कोई बैठता है, ठीक है, उसके साथ या छींकता है तो क्या होते हैं, जम्स स्प्रेड करते हैं, वो उसके पास दूसरी जगह चला जाता है. ओके, so here just see, it is written here. We find our way to human intestine. Often man himself help us when he is a disease carrier. When any man is suffering from any kind of disease that is spread so fast, rapidly, then we should avoid to talk, we should avoid to sit with that person. Okay? But we should not hate. Okay, students, so we have completed the paragraph number 3. If you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask on WhatsApp. And just say, students, one more paragraph. An unhygienic hawker. Now just see, now story is going to start. There is a boy, the name of that boy is Montu, you can see. And unhygienic. Unhygienic means not clean. Okay, not clean. An unhygienic hawker. Hawker means those who takes the things from one place to another place. Okay, Montu help us find our way into his intestine. And Montu, there is a boy, the name of the boy is Montu, who helped the germs to find our way into his intestine. जम्स कह रहा है कि मोन्टू ने खुद उसे हेल्प करके उसे अपने इंटेस्टाइन में अंदर ला लिया. Montu was our friend. Now both Jums and Montu become friends. यानी कि जम्स मोन्टू के पेट में चला गया और उसके अंदर चला गया एंड जम्स सोच रहा है कि मोन्टू अब उसका फ्रेंड है. See, Montu was our friend although he did not realize it. Although Montu did not realize it. उसको महसूस नहीं है, उसको आभास नहीं है कि उसके अंदर जम्स एंटर कर चुका है. although he did not realize it. You see, he was carrying my germs friend, and it is written here. You see, he was carrying my germs friend and me in his body with his dirty hands. Suppose that if our hand is dirty and we are eating something with it, then germs will also enter in our body through our hand. So मोंटू ने भी क्या किया, इसी तरह उसके अंदर उसके गंदे हाथों से उसके अंदर जम्स चले गए. जैसे Montu was our friend, although he did not realize it. You see, he was carrying my germs friend and me in his body with his dirty hands. वो कैसे अपने अंदर जम्स को लाया? अपने गंदे हाथों से. ठीक है, यानी अपने वो गंदे हाथों से कुछ खाया होगा और उसी के थ्रू जम्स उसके अंदर आ गए होंगे. But he did not know that he served drink to other without first washing his hand. But he did not know that he also served the drinks to the other people. Okay, without first washing his hand. बिना हाथ धोए वो खुद डिजीज कैरियर है और दूसरों को भी कुछ सर्व कर रहा है बिना हाथ धोए. He thus contaminated the drink and enable us to find our new home in their intestine. और इस तरह से जब वो गंदे हाथों से किसी दूसरे को देगा तो कंटेमिनेटेड मीन्स मेड इम्प्योर, तो वो खुद उस चीज को क्या करेगा, इम्प्योर कर देगा, गंदा कर देगा उस ड्रिंक को. एंड इनेबल अस टू फाइंड आवर न्यू होम, और जम्स को इनेबल कर देगा कि उसे एक दूसरा घर मिल जाएगा. दूसरा घर मिल जाएगा मतलब वो दूसरे के बॉडी में एंटर कर जाएगा. अभी तो खुद मोंटू के बॉडी में है और मोंटू के गंदे हाथों से वो दूसरे की बॉडी में भी चला जाएगा. इस तरह से जम्स कैन गेट द न्यू होम. लेट्स सी, इनेबल अस टू फाइंड आवर न्यू होम इन देयर इंटेस्टाइन. और इस तरह से जम्स को फिर एक नया घर मिल जाता है दूसरे के इंटेस्टाइन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so students, you mark here. In the next class we will discuss the next paragraphs given in the chapter. Students, if you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.